everything. I've waited for 5 minutes, then you can just drink it. Guys, I don't take anything sweet, right?
No more I'm singing, take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now.
In the morning when the sun starts to rise, so mama don't stress your mind.
Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great myself. Before I dive into this video, if this is your first time clicking on this video, I want to say thank you so much. I appreciate you. Don't leave without hitting that subscribe button. The notification bell is going to come up. Click that notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you will get to watch it. For my returning viewers, I say thank you so much for your love and your support. I see you, I see you, I see you. Thank you. God bless you all. Well, this video, guys, just ignore my little madam at the back because she's always following me everywhere, and I've been trying to do this video. I've been trying to make her sleep. I tried to make her sleep before I slept with her, so when I woke up I'm like, I need to do this video, and she's right inside this recording room with me. This is where I always record my videos, so just ignore her, okay? In today's video, guys, before I talk about what I want to do today, guys, have you guys seen this wig? This is a new wig I made. I'm going to upload a video. I'll upload the video. In fact, I've not uploaded the video yet when I'm making this video, but I'm going to upload it. So I'm going to link the link down below in the description box so you can watch it how I make this hair. This is actually a wig, and I didn't have, there's no closure, guys. So if you want to know how I do this wig, how I managed to come up with this wig, it doesn't have any closure, there's no closure. So you go and click on that link down below this video and watch this video and let me know what you think, guys. So today I want to talk about apple cider vinegar. Yes, I've talked about apple cider vinegar before on my channel. If you have been watching my videos way back, you will see a video on apple cider vinegar, and that video was actually the side effect of apple cider vinegar. In today's video, I want to talk about apple cider vinegar and weight loss. All right, we all know this apple cider vinegar. The one I'm using is with the mother. Okay, apple cider vinegar with the mother. That's the one I'm using. All right, so I'll talk about this amazing drink, this amazing thing you see right here. If you take it the right way, you're going to achieve the right benefits. You're going to achieve a best result. You're going to achieve good results if you take it the right way. But if you don't take it the right way, I'm afraid that you really will not get what you want, and of course you might even encounter some problems along the way. So first of all, I'll talk about apple cider vinegar and weight loss. What are the health benefits if you take apple cider, if you incorporate apple cider vinegar into your diet? First of all, let me tell you something. There's no magic, there's no way you take only apple cider vinegar and without actually adjusting on your diet, or without actually adjusting the amount of things that you take and what you take. I mean, you're not going to lose that weight automatically. It is not a magic drink that you will drink it and still eat all the things you're eating and you expect to lose 5 kg or 10 kg. No, it doesn't work like that. You can take it. If you want to lose weight, make sure you adjust your diet and you're going to have great results. The benefits of apple cider vinegar. If you're taking apple cider vinegar, it's going to increase your metabolism. It is going to burn fat. It is going to reduce your fat storage. The fat that is already in your body is going to reduce it. It is going to decrease your insulin level, and it's going to decrease your glucose level. And one thing with apple cider vinegar, when you take it, it will make it to look fuller. It will make it to feel fuller, and it's going to decrease your calorie intake. Like, apple cider vinegar is very good. I'm taking this for my weight loss journey, and of course I'll tell you that it has been amazing. When I say amazing, before I used to take apple cider vinegar, I did a video on that. I was like, guys, I used to take it, I used to abuse it. I used to abuse apple cider vinegar, and I got a very bad side effect, which I'm going to leave a link down below this video. If you want to find out what was that, you can click on that link and watch the video. Okay guys, so today I want to show you how we take it. Now first of all, let me show you how we prepare this drink. Oh no, let me tell you how we take it. All right, apple cider vinegar, the best time to take apple cider vinegar is first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. That is the first thing. Another thing is take it before meal. Don't do the mistake of taking it after meal, or you're taking during meal, like you're eating and you're drinking apple cider vinegar. You're not going to have the benefits of what you're drinking the apple cider vinegar for. So take it on an empty stomach first thing when you wake up in the morning, or right before you want to eat, 30 minutes before you eat. Even if you take it first thing when you wake up in the morning, you wait for 30 minutes, you can drink 1 glass of water before you eat anything. What it does is that it's going to make you to feel fuller faster when you're eating, and it's going to burn the calories, because whatever you're taking of course contains calories, so it's going to burn that calorie, and at the same time you're not going to put more fat into your body, and when you consume it, it's going to do the other things which are mentioned in your body. In that way you will lose fat very fast, you will lose weight very fast. All right, okay. And also, like I did mention before, you have to make sure that your diet, you have to, there's no magic. You cannot be drinking apple cider vinegar and you're eating 10 plates of rice, you're swallowing big loaf of fufu, and you're eating midnight and thinking that this is going to make you to lose 10 kg. No, it doesn't work like that, guys. You have to work on your diet. I mean, just adjust. For people who want to lose weight, if you don't want to lose weight, you can just incorporate this in your diet and just have all the benefits that it comes with. All right, so you take it first in the morning, or you take it before meal. So in one day you can take it two times, or I would say maximum 3 times. Like take it in the morning and maybe at night. Or if you take it each time you want to have your meal, 30 minutes before you want to have your meal, you drink your apple cider vinegar, you take your meal. Like you can take it 2 or 3 times. But for me, because I'm very scared of having any side effect right now, the last time it really did play on my menstrual cycle, so I don't want to repeat that mistake. So I'm doing 2 times apple cider vinegar in a day, just 2. And let me show you how I prepare this drink. All right, so I'm not going to take you to the kitchen. Everything is going to be here, because guys, I don't want to go to the kitchen, I want to do it here. So I have my cup here with me. Basically you can use a teacup, normal teacup, right? Yeah. So I just want to, and the water I'm using is warm water, but because I'm just showing you, I just want to do the practicals here. I don't want to go to the kitchen and show you guys. I'm just going to put a measurement of like a cup. All right, this is up to about, this is 300 mils, but I feel like a teacup should be 200 mils. All right, so I would say 1 teacup, 1 tablespoon. Where is my tablespoon? Mama, give me my spoon. Give me this one. Give me this one. Thank you. Thank you, Bubulutu. Thank you, Mama. So this tablespoon, you take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and you put it inside your water. All right, but the water have to be warm. Don't make it hot. Okay, don't make it hot. You have to be warm. So I'm putting in 1 spoon of apple cider vinegar into my water here, and I'll stir it. Make sure you stir it, because you want to have all the juice inside. Stir it, stir it, stir it. And then for me, if I stir it, I'll leave it for a while, like maybe 5 minutes, so everything incorporates inside. All right, everything, I've waited for 5 minutes, then you can just drink it. Guys, I don't take anything sweet, right, on my keto, so this apple cider vinegar is life to me. Like whenever I feel like I want to drink something, I take apple cider vinegar. It's very nice. If you're somebody who likes anything sour, anything acidic like me, guys, try this. Like, I love anything acidic, anything. That's how you drink it. For me, I take it in the morning. For me, I take it in the morning before I want to do my exercise, my swimming exercise, or if I'm going jogging on the stairs. I will take 1 glass of apple cider vinegar. This is actually what I used to do in making my apple cider vinegar. I will take it and I will drink it before I do any exercise. That is how I basically take it, because I know when I come back, I will take my water and maybe I'll eat later. So I always take it before I go for my exercise. Alright, so this is what I want to talk to you about. Apple cider vinegar is great. So this is how best way you can take it to lose that weight, guys. This is the best way you can take it to lose that weight. So this is what I want to share with you guys today. If you enjoy watching this video, give this video a thumbs up, and of course drop a comment down below the video to let me know what you think about this video. And of course, don't forget to share this video. Share is absolutely free of charge. I know I said it before. If you are here and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't leave without hitting that subscribe button. And as you do so, God bless you. I'll see you again in my next video. Do have a great day. Bye.